boys and girls, it's time for math. We've been spending a lot of time learning how to write our numbers properly because even though you understand about numbers, we have to make sure that you can show other people so that they can learn from you and you can learn from them. So today, I have 2 pages in the math book that I'd like you to do, and then I have a fun little project. Get your math done, then you can move on to the project. Let me show you the workbook. You're going to do 2 pages. This is the first page. Your name goes very carefully at the top. I've been noticing people doing a good job. And then it says how many of the dark moons. So you need to look up here and find out how many are in the box. And write that number the way I showed you in the box. Then they want to know how many of the light-colored moons. And put that number in the box. Then it says how many altogether. So you have to count them all. Moms and dads, they're going to need help with the reading of this page. Down here again, you're going to look in here, and they want to know how many happy faces. So count and write. And how many sad faces. So count and write. And then, how many altogether. Part, whole. Just like we say, what are the hidden numbers? Now, we're skipping the next page. If moms and dads want to work on that with them, they can. It's, we skipped the page before, and we're skipping the page after. We're going to talk about one more some other time, but you're welcome to do it. Once I pass a page, I won't be going back. I'm kind of covering it a different way. And today, we're going to also do page 47, which looks a little bit like this. So I want you to watch. Ready? Now, remember how we always make our numbers in a box? Well, you're going to see that this number has the dots in the corner, which is kind of not the way I would make it, but I'm going to show you. They want you to make the number 6 by starting on the dot. They want you to pull down and make the loop. To me, that doesn't look very much like a 6. So you know what? I'm going to tell you, you can start right in the middle of the box. Let's see if it looks better. A curve all the way to the side and a loop. And 6 throws a hoop. I think that looks more like a 6. So I am going to start in the middle of all the boxes. It's okay if you do it that way. But the one thing I didn't do is I didn't set it on the line. So I'm just going to try to do better this time. I touch the dot, curve to the side, curve to the bottom and around. There we go. A curve and a loop. Start at the dot, curve to the side, touch the bottom and the loop. A curve and a loop make. And 6 throws a hoop. A curve and a loop. And 6 throws a hoop. I decided to practice this way, but of course you're going to make them on the lines too. Start at the top, a curve and a loop. See how I tried to make it sit right on the line? Start at the top, a curve and a loop. At the top, a curve and a loop, a curve and a loop. Now your paper is a little different, but I want to practice. I'm going to make my 0. And you can do skywriting while I'm doing this. Start at the top, touch the side, touch the bottom, touch the side, touch the top. Ready? A straight line down is fun, and that's the way you make a 1. Ready? Around all the way to the ground and back on a railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Start at the top, around a tree, right to that wall again. And around a tree. That's how you make a number 3. Down and across, jump up, and down some more. That's how you make a number 4. Short neck, belly fat. See how he sits on the line? Mr. 5 wears a hat. Start at the top, a curve and a loop, and 6 throws a hoop. Now on your paper, you've got places for your 6s, and then down here, we're writing the 2 missing numbers. Oh, and here they went backwards. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 would go here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't think that will take you very long. So, the next thing you're going to need is your little baggie, because we are going to make our pumpkin necklaces. Okay? Hold on 1 minute. Now, in the bag, I have a piece of this gimp. It's kind of cool. It's got lots of colors on it. I liked that. I have a pumpkin that has 2 holes punched out. Now, I couldn't find the foam ones that weren't stickers. So if you peel this back off, it's going to get all sticky. I'm not peeling mine off. And then I have a great bag with black and orange and some, I don't know, spooky green beads. So when you do this, you ask an adult to tape it to your table. Miss Rudd is going to attach it to her board, but you should tape it down to the table. And this is the challenge. You can do it any way you want to, but I am going to challenge you to use the beads to make a pattern. Any pattern you want. I'm going to do green, orange, black. So a pattern is something that repeats. So green, orange, black, green, orange, black. See how it's looking? Green, orange, black, green, orange, black, green, orange, black. And again, green, orange, black. Now you might do black, black, green, green, orange, orange. You can do it the way you want to. Now when you get quite a few on there, the pumpkin goes in the middle. It has 2 holes. In one hole and out the other, just like that. Push it to the middle. Oops. And now I'm going to do beads on this side. See how it's black first? So that's what I'll do first, because I want mine to match. Black, and then orange, green. Green. And then black, orange, green. And I like to make it the same, oops, on both sides. Can you see? Let's see. Oh no, my beads fell off. That's why I told you to tape it. I am going to have to work on this on my own, because I'm not going to have you watch the whole thing again. But you learned a lesson there. So did I. I thought maybe the magnet will hold it so I could do it a little more quickly. You do not have to wear your necklace on Friday. You don't have to, because I know you'll have your costume on if you want to. But some children might just want to wear the necklace. You don't have to wear a costume. And the nice thing about these, they're pumpkins. So they're not really Halloween. They're kind of fall. So you might be able to wear it even up to Thanksgiving. That's why I like them, because I will wear mine often. And I'm going to fix it when the video's over. So don't give up. When things fall apart, I can fix it after. I'm not going to worry, but I'll have it ready, because I'm going to wear mine tomorrow. All right? You have a great day. 2 pages in math. And if you get that done, then you get to work on your necklace. See you later, boys and girls.